right now. And then I thought, what do I do today? And then my first thought was I should vlog. And then my second thought was like, what should I vlog? And then I thought that I should vlog a day in the life of. And I will explain to you why I am more original than the other people who already done this. And that's because everyone does it when like they're busy and their day is like extremely packed. So it's fun to watch.
But I'm gonna do it in quarantine where there's
That's why
nothing to
I'm
do.
original. Let's get this party started. Skincare time. Now that we've done this social, like whatever the socially accepted morning routine looks like for everyone else, I thought let's make some coffee. I'm gonna begin my morning by doing some work because I am queen. So the first thing that I have to do is that I've taken a summer course for which I have to write like chota sa answer to something. So I'm gonna do that right now. Actually, I already did it yesterday. I just need to post. In case anyone was wondering, I did my own eyebrow. And that's why they look so good. So I'm thinking maybe I should open like a parlor or something. Let me know in the comments below if you think that's a good idea. So I just finished my work and now I don't know if I should do more work because there is more work, or I should just
Like, chill.
So I decided to eat some soya sticks and watch some YouTube. Highly relatable content, guys. Another thing I just want to say is that I never know how much to open the packet. Like, if I open it like this, then everything gets like soggy and shit. But if I open it like this, then like it comes out really weirdly. So, does anybody know what's the perfect way to cut a packet, man? Like, it always baffles me.
Every time I open a packet, I try a new shape.
But like in like 20 years of my life, I've not found the perfect shape to do. I thought I will drink some milk. So let's get that party started, I think. Wow, that is basically my life. Like, that's like literally my life. Wow. This
Milk is just really like
giving me life. Like, that's me. I'm trying to do something and then I fail at it. Like, wow, as simple as putting milk. I can take a shot of this. Anyways, so the exciting thing in my life today is that I'm gonna take a bath. I took a bath yesterday also, but I'm gonna take one today also. So now what I'm gonna do is
I have this comfortable pair of like pajama and top, and I'm not worn it because I'm like I'll wear it when I like have to leave because I want to be like comfortable. So today is the day that I'm gonna wear it. Although I'm not leaving, but now I'm just really missing it. That is also my exam outfit. It is also my sleeping outfit. It is like everything. It's like just everything. The shirt is not even mine. I got it from a friend, but like it's huge and it's like just comfortable.
bath is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I think that if
I bathe, it'll make me really productive. Like,
bathing is a productive thing. Like, we don't think that it is because we're so used to doing it every day, but it really is like a thing on my shoulder for like wanting to bathe and shit. Another really weird thing that I noticed was like the toothbrush shapes really like define how you have like your brushing experience, because like I was using this brush that was given to me by the hotel and blood was coming out, and
I was just not feeling the brush. Like, it just wasn't vibing with me.
and then I just changed it to another one that they gave. It was like a different color, different shape. Like, it just wanted to be unique. And you know what? It looks good on me. That blue brush you saw, that doesn't give me blood. So what I realized was that each and every brush is different, and each and every brush is not gonna be the one for you. You need to find your own perfect brush. So that is like my learning for today to impart to you guys. So like, time to take a temperature. So it's 18th August today, which means that I have 19th and 20th August left in my quarantine. And my plan is that since I'll be free on 20th night, 23:59, if I test negative, which for the test, then I will go to McDonald's and get fries and ice cream. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And I think I'm also gonna eat some grapes because like fruits are good for your health. My favorite fruit is grape because like your hands don't get dirty when you eat it. It is so yum, like khatta meeta types. So yeah, that's it. Another very thrilling part of my quarantine experience is that I have to throw my own trash at around 1:30 to 2, like between that time I have to put it outside and then they collect it. So that is something that I really look forward to because you know it gives like a habit, and since we're humans we need like to be creatures of habit. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show you the pics of my trash, and believe it or not, it's not this. This is how much of the outside world I see on a daily basis. That's it. I kind of connect with my friends, whoever are living there, who also put their trash. So when you're in quarantine, there's really nothing to do. You can't exercise because like there's hardly any space, and you know your skin is not getting vitamin D. So I thought since I'm vlogging today, I should exercise, and I'm gonna show you how I do like normal exercises. Not like you should take any inspiration from me, like I'm not some health queen or something, but like yeah, here it goes. Stop anything that you're doing and do exercise with me right now. Right now. I said right now. This was my pre-workout. The actual one starts now. You also need to like find your jam when you're doing exercise. Okay, so I'm done with my workout. It was so hard, as you guys saw. Like the exercises I did were like they were so hard. I'm sweating now. So the plan of the day is that I have a meeting at 8 o'clock, and then I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, and then I have a meeting at 11 o'clock. So I need to figure out my dinner, my snacks, and I need to bathe in between, and I think I'll do a little bit of glow up just because quarantine. Hi guys, so it is snack time and I'm snacking right now
On cup noodles.
I thought I could do an ASMR of me eating the noodles, but like I can't. It's just too weird. So that's the update. Oof. Oof. I'm sweaty from my exercise. I'm soaked in Maggi juice. And I still don't have the motivation to take a bath yet. So update time. What I don't tell you guys about like my really glamorous quarantine life is that I also have work. So here's where I'm at right now. It's 7:30 and I haven't done any work for the 9 o'clock meeting. Like I really need to buck up and do it. So I'm gonna do it right now. And then after the 9 o'clock meeting, if it doesn't get over, I'm gonna do it again till the 11 o'clock meeting. I'm a busy girl. I'm a busy girl in a busy world. Life's fantastic. Na 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 na.
2 hours later.
Meeting 1 is done. Second meeting also done, guys, but now the issue is that after the second meeting I got some work to do before my third meeting, so now I can't even bathe now. The entire day has gone by. There's this other girl with me in the same hotel, and basically there's like the HK government or whatever has to call us, and if they call us that means we're positive, and if they don't call us that means we're negative. So I'm gonna prank call her on the hotel line. Hello, did you get scared? Did you get scared? Third meeting done. It is 2 a.m. I have not bathed. I have just finished my work. But I will bathe somehow. I'm gonna clean my room, watch some TV, bathe and sleep. All by 3:34. Cause tomorrow I have a meeting at 8 in the morning. So that means I need to wake up at 7:45. So I like just finished bathing and it's like 3:30 a.m. Now, my issue is that these bottles are not like the small ones, like they're stuck in position. So that means that I can't steal them and take them with me. So that is like really sad. But I guess I'm fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's okay. This is my outfit that I was talking about. Like comfy,
Fashionable, trippy, fun.
There was also a typhoon warning today. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do like my pimple cream shit and probably head to bed and finish this vlog. Guys, look at this. Like, it looks like somebody has done artwork on my face. And you know what? I will consider putting like pimple cream artwork. Cause like, you have to see
Each and every door and shit. So like,
I did some art also today. So I told you guys that I will bathe and I did bathe. This video changed from a day in the life of me to when will I actually bathe. So I need to go to sleep now because I need to wake up in 4 hours. So good night, guys.
so good night, guys.
Sorry.
I was